Lily playing with her interactive toy. Yes, trying to get a liver treat out. She got it? That one? Good girl. See if there's any more, Lil. See if there's some more. This toy is dishwasher safe too, so that the fragrances, odors of the liver treats can be washed out. There you go. Did you get another one? Yes? Let's see. Maybe you can hear her smelling. Oh, we're not doing a very good job of photographing here. Yes, let's see if there's any more. She has to take the white part out that's shaped like a bone and then slide the other part over to get the treat out. Okay. That's a bit beautiful. As a photographer, I'm not going to get the Golden Globe for the best director photographer of this. Okay.